Hey there, Liz Tomey here from LizTomey.com, and I wanted to do a quick review of Side Hustle from Manny Hanif. Hopefully I'm saying his last name right. I absolutely hate when I get people's names wrong. It's just a respect thing for me. I always want to get people's names right. Anyway, so I bought this product, went all the way through it. As you can see by the check marks, I went through everything, including the bonuses here, okay? And the case studies. This one was okay. This one, meh. This one didn't really give what I thought it would, meaning I really didn't walk away knowing how to offer this whole entire strategy as an offer. It wasn't, what I would typically do, be it, create a sales page that describes, what your offer is and what your service is, and then have a way for people to contact you to give you, your information and stuff like that. It just wasn't what I thought it would be. It wasn't bad. It just didn't give enough information. But that's just a bonus. Everything else was pretty kosher. This is a good product, especially for the price. This is a great tactic to use to get traffic to anything you want. Now, he does show you lots of ways to, make sales with it, but I highly recommend you use this tactic that he's teaching to get people on your email list, promote your squeeze pages or your landing pages, whatever you call it, where you have your email form to people to get on your list, okay? It's too easy to lose your Facebook account. Facebook could be gone tomorrow. We never know what's going to happen. So always get people on your list with these tactics where people are showing you to use third-party things, okay? You could do like a 50-50 mix. Use what he teaches you and use it to build your list half the time, and then the other half the time, you can directly promote things that make you money with the strategy, okay? He goes through everything you need to do to get your profile set up correctly, and how to build a targeted list of Facebook friends. That's important, okay? Why? Well, so that when you do put stuff in front of them, you have the right audience, okay? Now, I've successfully done all of this on Facebook, so I can tell you it works, and it works really well. Now, there are a few things I didn't agree with, and guys, just because I don't agree doesn't mean it's wrong. But this is something I truly know a lot about, so I just disagree with a couple of things. Like, I think it was this video or this video, he was teaching to segment your list. I do not recommend this. I have repeatedly tried segmenting my Facebook friends list, and I don't get the amount of clicks, people signing up for my list, sales, and stuff like that I would if I just posted it, okay? So when you post something on Facebook, only a percentage of your friends actually see it. When you post something on Facebook and you only want friends on list, let's say list X, to see it, only a percentage of that smaller list will see it. So you're going to get way less eyeballs. Just post normally to your page, okay? Use engagement tactics to boost your engagement, and more people will see your post. The more likes, comments, shares, stuff like that you get on Facebook, the more you're seen on Facebook. Turning your friends list to, or just focusing on a part of your friends list is not the way to go there, okay? One last thing I also didn't agree with. He recommends a tool that I don't like to, this was the filtering strategy. So the strategy I just talked about was this one. Don't segment your list. And then, yes, I do use a Facebook friend filter. It's basically, I call it a Facebook friend manager. So I am like capped out on Facebook with my friend limit like all the time. I just deleted a whole bunch. So I've got like a couple hundred spaces. But I do this by using a tool called Multiple Tools for Facebook by LockMy. Again, I hope I'm getting his name correct. But this allows me to click a couple buttons. I can see who doesn't engage, and I can remove them from my friends list. You don't want people on your friends list that aren't engaging with you. Now, you need to be working just as hard to engage with other people too. But if people have been on your Facebook friends list for years, like I had people from like 2009 who had never interacted with me, 10 years on Facebook as my friend, never liked one of my posts. We're done here. So I got rid of anybody that hasn't interacted with me since 2018. I'm giving them, over a year now, leeway. So, and I'll probably have to, start deleting those people too. But he recommends one called Friend Filter. I didn't have any luck using it. I couldn't ever get it to get set up right. I talked to the developer the other day, and he promised to, make things right, promised a refund, da-da-da-da. I was glad that he stood up and said, hey, if you have a problem, let me know, and he did that publicly. That was great of him, but I've lost interest in using that now, and I'm using this, and it's cheaper. I like the functions better, so I recommend this one over that one. It's Multiple Tools for Facebook by LockMy. I don't get any money for telling you anything about that tool. I just recommend it over the tool that he recommends in this, okay? So, if you're looking for a tactic that doesn't cost anything to use, there's no special anything you have to have, Manny's Side Hustle is something that I know for sure works, and he did really well teaching this tactic. I highly recommend you get it, go through it, and start putting it to use for yourself. Just go to liztomey.com/profile hustle. I'll put that URL in this video. Okay, guys, that's it for now. I'm in much need of sleep, so I'll see you guys in my next video.